Hello kids, welcome to Fun Learning. Hope you are healthy, happy and safe. Today we will learn about sounds. Doesn't that sound fun? I want to tell you a story. Settle down fast and listen to me carefully. One day, Neetu's mom and dad had gone for shopping. Neetu's Dadaji was reading newspaper in a balcony. Suddenly, a mosquito stung his neck. Neetu treated him. She rubbed an ointment on Dadaji's neck. Dadaji asked Neetu to prepare a cup of tea for him. Neetu went to the kitchen and made a cup of tea for Dadaji. She filtered the tea with net and served a cup of tea to Dadaji with a plate of nuts. Dadaji smelled aroma of the tea with nose, and it was amazing. So kids, you learned names of different pictures like newspaper, nose, neck, net, and nuts. Now can you tell me what is the first sound of these pictures? Yes, it is no. It is no. Here you can see capital N and small n, and the sound of N is no. Sound of N is no. Nest. Birds live in nest. It's made of mud and crust. Nest. Birds live in nest. It's made of mud and crust. Nest. Birds live in nest. It's made of mud and crust. With this, we completed the fun activity of knowing phonetics. I hope you have fun. Links of other videos are given in description box. Open them and read with fun. Please do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications on new amazing learning videos. Bye bye. Have a great day.